So yeah, hello and welcome guys. So this is Jobin, which is an advanced company profiling using machine learning, and in this video we are giving you a demo and a walkthrough through all the features, availabilities, functions and all the programs that we are availing in our product Jobin. So let's dive into this video to see what all our product can offer you. So as our product is a web app, so we'll be starting our web app to show you what else our product is offering. Yeah, so let's just dive into the new site. It's just as it is hosted in the local host only. So yeah, so this is our site. So this is our built-in site. Now in this site, what first we need to do is a company can register in the company registration form and get a company score. So let's just first look into the demo video, and then only you can very easily understand what all else is doing actually. In the company registration part, a company can register itself. So suppose I'm registering this company in Terra Technologies. Yeah, database address suppose say Kolkata. Business email suppose say ceo@intera.com, and business name is optional, so we can just like pass away. And also we are assuring that by submitting this data you are allowing us to use a publicly accessible personal and professional data to know about our interest, behavior and insight. So this is already been written there. Now when you submit, when you go further, the web actually asks for your enter your employees data in the sheets below. Now employees data are the data, essentially their name, the date of birth, their email ID and the links and usernames of 6 of their social media accounts. What else they're actually doing, let me explain first the demo and then you will surely understand. Now so I have some data about some employees. I have some data about employees which I've already like procured. So I will just go into it, and here they are. So yeah, so from this data I'll just copy them and I will just paste them. Right. So I have some data about some employees of some certain company and their social media accounts of five of the social media accounts: Quora, Stack Overflow, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Right. Now when we submit this data, when we just like go further and submit this, we will get a company score. So this is a company's so after submission, what is actually happening is all these social media accounts of these companies, of the employees of these companies, the data that they have provided in those accounts, those are being extracted from the social media, different social media accounts, and from that data, from that extracted data, we are using some machine learning principles to find about the qualities or the insights of different persons, like openness, conciseness, extraversion, agreeableness, emotional rate, challenges, curiosity, excitement, harmony, etc. etc. Now from all those employees like individual data, we are standardizing all those individuals data. We are segregating it to find a company's like you can say like a mean data, not exactly a mean data actually. It's like it's actually being performed using some algorithm which we have which also we have prepared in our code. So that data actually being segregated to find the final score, and from this final score, a final company standardized index is predicted, which in this case is coming to be 0.84. Now anyone who is like working to a company can actually use this data, this already available data, to actually predict, actually guess that whether he or she is perfect for this company or not. But if he or she needs some more amount, like if he or she needs that we actually predict them for more accurateness, we can also do it. How? Let me show you. So let's first go into again the home page. Yeah, this is a home page. Now here also in the services part, you can just search for Intera Technologies, and if you just hit enter, then again you can see the data because it's been already recorded. And similarly, if you just hit the data for any other company also, you can do for the same. So now the main part comes is the candidate profiling part. In the candidate profiling, suppose a person types any random employee we have chosen, actually Ajay Kumar. Let's say his date of birth is 12th December, suppose 2 and 1980. Fine. suppose his gender is male. Yeah, so now we need some Facebook and Twitter and their social media accounts as link. So suppose I'm typing one, yeah, facebook.com, Ajay Kumar. Yeah, Instagram is suppose yeah, this is Instagram account Kumar Ajay. Then Twitter profile we have I am Ajay, and LinkedIn profile also we have. Stack Overflow is also there. Next is the Quora. So I will just type a username, person's username in Quora. Yeah, so that is being done. Now this is the important part, which company are looking for, because what we'll do is we'll just compare your like personality and professional indexes, personal and professional qualities with a standardized personal and professional qualities of an employee of that particular company, which is already being registered in our system. Now when you hit submit, yeah, so this is what is actually happening. So that the person Ajay Kumar's all the social media accounts, that data is being taken, that data that is being provided by the person Ajay Kumar in all those social media accounts. That data is being extracted by the system, and then that data is then allowed into a machine learning model, which actually studies all the textual data and gives some insights and gives some values to these qualities, which I like. It rates these qualities like how much openness he is, how much concernedness, extraversion, agreeableness, emotional range, challenge, closeness, curiosity. Now this data is being then found. Now this is the data of the individual Ajay Kumar. Now this data is being compared with the standardized data of the company which he or she is looking for, which is Intel Technologies in this case. Now that these two, the standardized data and this individual data, is then being compared, and then after comparing, a final suitability score is being projected. Suitability score is like a standard deviation. It's kind of standard deviation, and how much you're similar. Two of them are similar, and then depending on the suitability score, suitability status is also being projected, which is highly suitable. Now we have also considered like categories like highly suitable, merely suitable, suitable, and not suitable, and just suitable. These all different categories are also being provided. Now this all total tool is it's called as Jobin. This all the tool is called Jobin. Now because what it basically does is it uses your social media data, the data that different person providing in the social media links, and then that data is being used to find upon some your important qualities, or qualities of your personal qualities or professional qualities, and or etc. all these different kinds of qualities, and then that data is being used to find those qualities, and by those qualities it's being used to categorize yourself to whether you are suitable to work for a company or not, depending whether you are apt to take the workload of the company, whether you are whether you're emotionally perfect to work for the company, whether you will be like adjusted to the work culture, whether in the company, whether you have the skill sets and the mindsets required for the company, etc. All this kind of data is then being projected by our system. So this is all about Jobin, our product, our idea, and our innovation, which we think will surely solve a bit the problem of unemployment in India and in the world. Thank you.